Optimize paths is technology software for a specific operational decision, identifies and recommends optimal process execution paths based on variant analysis. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that technology teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Optimize Paths narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Optimize Paths starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include execution time, throughput capacity, failure rate, resource cost, and latency priority. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate normalized performance score by comparing throughput capacity to execution time, where higher throughput and lower execution time produce better scores. Calculate normalized cost efficiency score by comparing throughput capacity to resource cost, where higher throughput per dollar produces better scores. Calculate normalized reliability score by subtracting failure rate from perfect reliability, where lower failure rates produce higher scores. Calculate performance contribution to composite score by multiplying performance score with latency priority weight, and calculate cost contribution to composite score by multiplying cost efficiency score with cost priority weight. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how technology teams actually make decisions. Optimize Paths returns structured outputs such as overall efficiency score, performance score, cost efficiency score, reliability score, and efficiency rating. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of Optimize Paths is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated technology work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.